This dark blue rear bumper has many light scratches across its face. We'll first clean it with wax and grease remover and a disposable blue shop towel. Hold the color selector against the bumper to get a color match. Blue 6 looks like the best choice here. Add 5 to 10 drops of Blue 6 to a cup, and then add 20% activator so the paint dries with a shine. Stir the mixture and we're ready for application. Lightly dab over the scratched and damaged areas with your precision touch-up brush. Use just enough paint to recolor the scratches, but not so much paint that the repair looks obvious. Within 5 minutes, the paint is dry and looks acceptable from normal viewing distances. We touched up this entire car in about 10 minutes and collected $50. The repair is permanent, the color matches, and the customer avoided a trip to the body shop for this minor damage.